Tongue scraper. All clean. Alright, we got some electrolytes. If you guys can see. Yeah, I'll just put it up on the screen right there. Alright, let's hydrate. Alright, for my pre-workout meal, I got peely. But onto that, we got Greek yogurt. I put like a little bit of like the monster cookie thingy. It's gonna be fire. I'll put it up on the screen what I put inside there. Alright, we're finally on our way to the gym. Yeah, before we head to the gym, we gotta take our pre-workouts. Today I have like the Celsius, the dragon fruit lime. But yeah, I'm gonna down this, now I'll be on the way to the gym. But yeah, cheers. We arrive at the gym, but today is a leg day, and we're gonna crush our... I sound like a fucking bot. Alright, we're here at the gym. I can't do a fucking intro. Alright, we're here at the gym. And today we're just gonna do leg day. We're gonna crush it. Because I'm not gonna do this shit many times. I don't know if I should fucking post this or not. Those fucking bloopers. Alright, we got the post-workout meal. Alright, we got the post-workout meal. This one has ground beef, rice, guacamole, and sour cream, and some hot sauce. I gotta get a good lighting for this. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this shit. Cause I'm starving. Alright, get the first bite. Alright, the third meal. This time we got the, I don't know what to consider this, a snack. But yeah, it's gonna be chicken nuggets. Oh, it's devour. We got some ice cream. This is probably like our fourth meal. But yeah, I'll put the macros right there. Because this is not, this is like a protein ice cream. On my couch right there. There's more in the background. Hi. He's just sitting there, but we're gonna try this shit. Yeah, this is the mint. Yeah, it's the mint ice cream. I put like chocolate chips, a bit of Oreos, and But yeah. Yeah, that shit's gas. But yeah, comment down below if I should make a tutorial how to make this. Alright, we got the final meal of the night. This time we got salad, steak, then we put in a bit of like but yeah, we got a dot of barbecue. Then we got like hot sauce. Then I put in like a little bit of seasoning. I'll put it up on the screen what I put in there. Like what I put inside the seasoning. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. But comment down below what should I do next. See you guys in the next video. See ya.